Good morning. So this is basically where it starts off. If you are, let's close it down from the beginning just in case it ever gets closed out. All right, we go into the Reading Eggs program. Hopefully it automatically connects to the internet. If not, I'll be in this morning to make sure it does. Make sure we're on Felix, and then we hit start. There are two programs he really uses. Reading Eggs, which is the math one. And we mostly focus on this middle one. And he should know how to take over after that. I've reset the program about a month, so it's all stuff he knows how to do already and should be able to pretty much do by himself. I'm going to exit out by going to the home button and saying bye from this program because I'm in the math one. Now, the other one we use a lot is Reading Eggs for reading. Mostly we do reading. Sometimes I go over into spelling too, but mostly it works on reading. Of course, if you have a spelling time in the classroom, you can do the spelling one instead of his reading. I forget what I'm supposed to do here. I think I'm supposed to move him down. Maybe I'm not. Okay, there we go.
This is the word this. Click on this.
And again, hit the home button. I'm sorry. Hit this little triangle
this
to get back to the home button on this particular one. And find the little waving hand goodbye to get out of this one. I'll start teaching Felix how to do this himself too. And then the other one we use, Fast Phonics. But mostly Reading Eggs and math. The phonics has also been taken back about a month of progress. So he should be able to do all the things that they ask him to do in this game. He just finished up a lesson here. We're waiting for the theatrics to finish up. Okay, so this is where the lessons are at. And he starts a phonics lesson.
Letter R.
Alright. And again, to get out of that, you saw the little arrow I hit here in the corner. And to get out of this program, it's the menu button here and the wavy bye by hand. Brads, please. And then we're back here.